I add more pictures with the ISO 400, they would show up in that search folder. Alright, I haven't found much documentation on the different ways you can filter your data, but I did find a string, and I'll put this in my show notes on the website, but it's hidden in a folder. It's system/libraries/coreservices.frameworks/frameworks/metadata.framework/resources/english.lproj/schema.string. And if you open this file with a text editor or TextMate, you can kind of see the different keywords here. So you can search by title, subject, theme, author, editor, projects, where from, comments, copyrights, producers, and the list goes on and on and on. Latitude, longitude, altitude, display name, red eye, metering mode. You can see a lot of these are camera related, some music related, tempo, key signature, time signature, lyricist, organizations, pages. So really you can make some really crazy, features if you wanted to find all of your pictures with the ISO of 400 with a metering mode of whatever, and taken between the dates of X and Y. You can have some really crazy filters. So you can see here that there's a powerful aspect to Spotlight. Once again, there's not much documentation on it. I kind of combed through the Apple website. I found some old links to some information from Tiger, but they haven't really updated it for Leopard. So hopefully this information here will be of help. What I'll do is I'll take a copy of this too, and I'll put it on the website so you can just link to this directly. I'll also put the location of it in the show notes, so you can see it's quite a bit. And there's one more thing I'd like to show you. Alright, so there's one more thing I wanted to show you, and that's basically how to look at all of the Spotlight data for a file in using the terminal. I'm going to go ahead and bring up TextMate here and create a new file. Okay. So it's in my desktop. So I'm going to go ahead and launch terminal. Oops. And I'm going to go to my desktop. Okay, so then the command is mdls test.txt, and that will show me all of the Spotlight data that that file has. Now, MDLS has a couple of components, and I might actually say that for another show. There is a way you can use Spotlight within Terminal and actually get some interesting results. You can pretty much do the same searching but within Terminal, and I'll save that for another show. Mainly because I have to brush back up on it. I read about it when I was doing some studying on Tiger, and it's been a while. So I'd like to do maybe a second show on that, depending on if you're interested or not. I know a lot of people shy away from the terminal, and it also just seems that the Spotlight in the GUI would be a little bit more clean, a little bit easier to access. So if there's interest in the show, I will do a second show on the terminal and using Spotlight in terminal. Sorry for the delays in getting these out. Like I've said, I've been busy with the holiday season, between school and between work and having a toddler. It's been hectic. I'm really trying to find the time to work on these and get them out to you. Also, I would like to say thanks to Peter Uphold again for doing the screencast that he did last week on Pages. We were joking in Twitter that he might have to do another one now because of iWork and iLife 09 have been released at this week's Macworld. I have already downloaded iWork, and I'm currently playing with it in the demo mode. I have purchased the CD, and it should be here shortly. I've also pre-ordered iLife 09, and I do plan on going over those in the screencast. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I'd love to address any questions you have. Also, I'm taking, requests for information. If you have anything you want to talk about, if you have any requests for material or shows, let me know. Send me an email. If you have reviews of products that you want to send me, go ahead. If you've done a review, go ahead and send it to me. We'll include it in the show. Also, let me know if you like the video format, if you prefer an audio format, if you prefer mixed media. I might split the feed if I have some people who like audio and some people who prefer video and they don't want a mixed or whatever. Just let me know what you guys think of the podcast and how it goes. And thanks for watching. This is Matt Hillier, and this is the Stealth Mac Podcast.